And welcome back. Let's kick things off with football. Jamaica's young reggae boys are heading to the FIFA Men's Under-17 World Cup after booking their tickets with a 3-1 victory over Canada in their top-of-the-table clash in Group G of the CONCACAF qualifiers in Costa Rica on Wednesday afternoon. Needing only a draw to secure their spot in Qatar this November, the young reggae boys left nothing to chance. Jamari Nolan opened the scoring in the 37th minute, before Jamon Lyles extended the lead in the 53rd. Canada pulled one back through Van Parker from the penalty spot in the 71st. However, Jaheim Bennett struck 2 minutes into stoppage time to seal the win and confirm Jamaica's place at the FIFA Youth Tournament. And Jamaica ended the contest with 10 players as Canada ended the contest with 10 players as Vicente Larenko received a second yellow card in the 85th minute. And JFF President Michael Ricketts reacted to the team's qualification.
Of the hard work that this federation has put into our youth programs. Year before last, we won the U14 CFU Challenge Series with Peart as the coach. We came back last year with our under-15s. We won the CONCACAF competition with Peart again as the coach.
Ricketts also added that the qualification is a culmination of strategic planning by all involved.
We have invested heavily in our youth program. This qualification is for Jamaica. This is part of the process of building this nation of ours, and especially those who were displaced in Hurricane Melissa. Here is something to smile about. Must use this opportunity to congratulate my coaching staff, congratulate the young players, the young reggae boys, congratulate each parish president, congratulate each school. You have provided an opportunity for some young boy to put Jamaica on the global stage. We are simply delighted.
Now, the result secured Jamaica's third appearance at the Under-17 Men's World Cup following previous qualifications in 1999 and 2011, and sees head coach Wendell Downswell guiding the team to the Premier Youth Tournament for the second time in 15 years.